Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and on a new catalogue day. Brand new catalogue has just gone live and we've got a joining offer and we've got a hosting offer too. So I will cover all of that as we go through the video, but this is today's project. It's a small, gorgeous, lovely box that's 4 inches by 4 inches by 2 inches. 10 by 10 by 5 centimetres, uses the new Magenta Madness cardstock and in colour designer series paper, and the stamp set is a grand kid, which is lovely. And one of my children's winning on a game. This one says so smart, so fun, so sweet and so wonderful. I love it. And it's using new little embellishments as well, which they're a lot of fun too. So I'm going to show you how to make it. You need a piece of cardstock, 8 by 8 inches, 20 by 20 centimetres. And you're going to score it on the same on all 4 sides. So 2 inches, 5 centimetres on all 4 sides. So just keep going all the way round. And then the lid, the designer series paper is 6 by 6 inches anyway. It's lovely. There's 4 patterns in total. Yeah, 6 by 6 inches. If you work in metric, take yours down to 15 by 15 centimetres, just for simplicity. And then to score it, because we want the lid to fit in, so we're just going to move that ever such a tiny little bit away from here and score it at 1 inch on all 4 sides. But when you move, you need to make sure to move it away from the edge of your scoring tool each time on each side. So basically you're not scoring it at 1 inch, 2.5 centimetres, you're actually scoring it at like 15/16 of an inch. So a little bit under an inch or a little bit under 2.5 centimetres. Okay, so I'm going to burnish all of these and start cutting. So let me tell you about the hosting offer or the shopping offer. So if you place an order over £200, 275 euros, you will get 10% of that extra as on top to spend on stamping rewards and stuff. So you'd get an extra £20 in normal circumstances, or 27 euros. But over that amount, you'll get a further 20 on top. So you'll actually get £40 and 52 euros. Oh, quick sums on the fly then. So that's really good. So if you've got oodles of stuff in your shopping basket that you want to buy, definitely think about hosting. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to cut and then talk about the joining offer. So you cut down the straight of the rectangle, wedge into the square on both sides, just like that, and rotate, and do that all the way around on both the base and the lid. So now the joining offer, it's in euros, in pounds, £99 to join, and you get to choose £130 worth of products. In normal circumstances, you get free shipping, you get 8 of the catalogues, you get your business supplies. But from the 3rd of June until the end of June, you will get to choose a bundle of your choice as well for free. So that could be a stamp and die bundle, or a stamp and punch bundle. That's not one of the entire product suites, that's a bundle, and you get that on top for free. So definitely that's worth doing. So kind of basically, if you're in the realms of £200 as a hosting offer, it might be worth joining, because when you join you immediately get a 20% discount on any personal purchases, or if you're selling, that would be an income, and that might be the greater thing in the long term than shopping, but the choice is yours. I'm putting it out there. Okay, so I'm going to use my tear and tape, because you know I'm only placing my order today for my new Stampin' Seal and Stampin' Seal Plus, which is fabulous and I can't wait. So I'm using my ever faithful tear and tape. This stuff's marvellous. Can't wait to get the Seal Plus just to see if I can stick children to the ceiling. I'm sure I can. So right, that's those done. And I'm going to peel off the backing of all of these and build up the base, and then the lid will build up in exactly the same way. So, okay, so you bring round the side and fold it in like that, and that's how you build up the base. So do that all the way round. That's one of my boys on the 3rd floor, having a really good time on his game. So, quarantine has brought its challenges, but it's brought the wonderful as well. It's brought my boys together. It's introduced me to just how much they fully enjoy video games. We've been binge watching Marvel movies, but we have eked it out one a night. You know, got to make these things last. Right, there's my lid, there's my base, and because I did that little extra bit on the side, oops, it will fit on just nicely. Lovely. Okay, did I tell you how big it was? 4 by 4 by 2 centimetres tall. So, sorry, inches here. So 4 by 4 by 2, so 10 by 10 by 5 centimetres. I don't remember if I told you. Right, so this is the glittered organdy ribbon. And I'm just going to tie this on. And get a bow. We're going to try and get a bow. How have I ended up with one really short tail and one really long tail? Let's just adjust that. Right, well, that's not bad. I quite like this ribbon because it's quite forgiving. It doesn't mind when I mess up. Okay, but that's now in the wrong place, so I need to shimmy it over and get it up into the top corner. There we go. Right, so I have got the stamp set, so I'll bring that in again. A Grand Kid. I love the sentiments, I love the phrasing, I love the font. This one I'm addicted to. So smart, so fun, so sweet and so wonderful. Oh, just brilliant. Perfect phrase. Okay, so I'm going to bring that out and grab a block. Grabbing one that's handy. I'm going to have to make a confession. I'm not sitting on my office chair right now. There's a cat on my office chair and I don't want to move her. So I've got a step stool that was my late grandmother's, and I used to sit on it as a little girl. When I used to go there, you know, with my family for dinner, she used to bring this in, and it was what I used to sit on, and it's old-fashioned but fabulous. So when she passed away, I asked if I could have it, and it's now here in my office, and it's quite lovely that my boys all sit on it, and they come and join me in the office. They sit on it, but yeah, it's not wheelie. I can't wheel anywhere. I'm just perched and it's too tall for this desk. But yeah, I can't possibly move a kitten, can I? Not that she's a kitten anymore. Right, so that's that done. And then it's the in colour enamel dots. So they are matte, and I will give you a tip. Where's my paper piercer? Here it is. I'll give you a tip. Turn them face down, so obviously that's face up, face down, and just run a bone folder across them, and it's just going to make sure that they are well stuck to the backing. I've separated a couple before now. I've taken the epoxy dome off and left the coloured bit behind, so that's my little tip for you. Okay, right, grab some dimensionals. And pop it on there, and then that is my brand new in colour box done. Bumblebee, Magenta Madness. The other colours are Just Jade, Cinnamon Cider and Misty Moonlight. They're all gorgeous colours. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.